guys, what is up? The Sky. Today I'm gonna be baking a pie, baking with Cassandra. The ingredients that I'm gonna be using are by the way, I'm wearing this as a little hat. It's a towel because I wanted to show a little of a chef side. This is the pumpkin. This is pumpkin. We're gonna use a can opener. Let's see. I'm really bad at this usually. Yep, it's not even moving. Why is it not even moving? Oh, the other way?
No.
Oh. This? The fuck?
No.
That looks so weird. I usually don't like pies, but let's see. Ah! I pinched myself. Let's see. It didn't even do anything. Let's see if me baking it changes my mind. This is so confusing. What is this? This is so annoying. Fernando, why is it so hard? That's what she said. Don't cut yourself. Don't do this. Literally, don't do this. There we go. And that's how you open it. So now I'm gonna put all this into this. This is so disgusting. I mean, this is so yummy. ASMR. Next, I'm gonna be cracking 3 eggs. Bing, bing. Mix it, mix it. 1 full spoon. How do you even open this up? Oh! So then half. Ooh. So then moving on to 3/4 of a cup of sugar. That much? Dang.
I put half actually.
Alright, kiddos. So next is gonna be the milk of your choice. You know, I got Silk Almond. Not usually my favorite, but whoa, whoa, oh, oh. We're gonna estimate, you know, about this full spoon. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ugh, smells really bad. Half a spoon of ground ginger. Oh my god, this looks so wrong. Is that a quarter? No, it's a spoon. Then we taste it. Yeet. My camera's dying. Hurry, hurry. Get close. All up in there. Dang, perfect. Holy crap, this is scary. By the way, you don't have to wear gloves. I'm just kidding. Oh my god, brother! This is hot! I'm gonna touch the steel. Oh my god, my dumbass really did that! Oh my god! So there goes half the pie. Bruh.